the upcoming holidays, here are some food safety tips from the Pere Health Department. And that is keeping it clean, cooking it right, and keeping it separate. So the first one would be to keep it clean. That would be wash your hands thoroughly before doing any food prep. And then keeping all your work surfaces clean, such as your cutting board and your counters. And then the third item would be to wash your produce and vegetables thoroughly before you do any cutting or chopping. The next point is cook it right. So the first thing you want to do is when you're cooking your products, such as whole hams and poultry products, you want to cook those to the proper temperature. So whole ham would be 158 degrees Fahrenheit, and then your poultry products would be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And the next thing you want to make sure that you do is keep your hot foods at 135 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. And if you have any cold foods, you want to keep them at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. And then the third point within that is chilling your leftovers. So you want to make sure that you're cooling your products from 135 down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit or colder within 4 hours. And the best way to do that is keep them in shallow pans that are like 2 inches or less for depth. And the third part is keep it separate. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure you're keeping your meat products low on a lower shelf and keeping your produce above that so you don't cross-contaminate from any of the juices from your meat products. And the second point within there is watch the juices, and that means sealing it in a container so it doesn't leak is another option to prevent that cross-contamination. And then the third item would be to not reuse your plates or your utensils, which could be a cross-contamination source if you use it on a raw product and then use it on your cooked product. You always want to make sure you wash it in between use. And for more food safety information, you can go to our website at www.depere.org and also like us on Facebook for more health information.